Welcome to Tamarindos, Mexican Farm to Table. Today we're going to prepare mezcalita de mango. A mango mezcalita. The ingredients is mezcal lavenia. This is 100% espadín from Oaxaca. Grand Marnier. Okay. This is our mango puree. Okay. Basically, this is fresh mangoes that we blend, and then this is the final product, the puree. Then this is fresh squeezed lime juice, simple syrup, and Campari. Campari is going to be, you know, in this with these drops here. We're going to put it on. Okay. We're going to garnish with sal de gusano, okay, right here, and mango, fresh mango. And you can use many different kinds of glasses, but if you have something like this is a very typical blowing glass from Mexico that we serve margaritas on. Okay, so here is ice. While I'm preparing, I'm going to tell you a little bit of los tamarindos. Okay, Tamarindos, Mexican Farm to Table. It's a 17 acres property where we have you know, different kinds of trees, like citrus trees for, you know, for the limes, and we also have mango trees, many different varietals, and we grow over 100 different species of vegetables, herbs, flowers. We produce chickens, etc., etc. So this is a real experience. Okay, I serve to start with 2 ounces of the mezcal, now 1 ounce of Grand Marnier. Then we're gonna continue with the mango puree. It's very important that we use very ripe mangoes, okay, to make this puree. And this is 2 ounces. How do you make the puree? Basically, all you do, get the mangoes, fresh mangoes, get the flesh, only the flesh, it will be this part, okay? And then put it in a blender. You blend it and you pass it to a strainer, okay? Because sometimes it has fiber that we don't want in the cocktail. Then, lime juice. This is very important. If you don't put lime juice, it's going to taste like a smoothie. Okay, so we want a little bit of lime juice. How much? 1 ounce. Simple syrup. Simple syrup you can put also 1 ounce. I'm going to put a little bit less because I don't want it too sweet. And the Campari bitter. How much of that? If you don't have this, you can use just a splash, okay? So now we have all the ingredients, okay? In case you don't have a chaser, you can do it just by stirring them, okay? What you have to do, just go like this, and it will work also. But of course, it's best results. So we have the glass. Before you pour it in the glass, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how it works, okay? Here, you can get the line and do it like this, or if you have one of this, do it like that. It will look just like that. That will be the presentation, okay, of the mango mezcalita. The flavor is of course fruity, but the bitters reduce the amount of fruit and the amount of sugar, okay? That's why we put the bitter, okay? And the lime juice gives it a very nice acidity. Perfecto. Well, salud. Welcome to Los Tamarindos.